How you now? How the family? You see that matter I want to tell you. No. I define person when I go ask how person fit get lawyer on his own. You understand? No, this problem we need personal lawyer. The
Mr.
law.
Nothing much.
Like, well done.
How you dey now?
Fine.
I hear you dey talk say you don't know where to get lawyer.
Law in pidgin. Now the matter me and my friend we dey think how we go take get lawyer. Get lawyer how we will just arrange this our matter for us. Because we never know how we take get lawyer.
So see lawyer no hard now. See, anywhere where you see say dem like customary court, magistrate court, high court, supreme court, anywhere where you know say court na where lawyer dey do their work.
Yes.
If you go there, go see plenty lawyer. Just meet any of the lawyer, tell am wetin you wan tell am, you go carry go office, you don get lawyer.
So if I just go any of this court now, I just enter, then go maybe I come tell say I define lawyer. Then go just carry me go office.
No, you don't even need talk say they find lawyer. You go see lawyer wey dress like lawyer now. You go meet am say tell am say oga abeg I need lawyer. He go carry you go office una go talk.
Okay.
Another way again wey you go fit take get lawyer. You know say if you dey waka for road, you go see some office, then you go see where they write law firm, law chamber, Ramotu chamber. This one law office.
So so those chamber, those chambers, difference in Franklin chamber, chamber. So that's in our lawyer office.
Yes, na lawyer office.
I don't know.
So you just enter there, you go meet any lawyer, don't get lawyer. Another way again to get lawyer, you get Android phone now.
Yes.
Just type for Google Nigerian Bar Association. NBA go show, you go see NBA website there. When you click that website, you go see where as you open the website.
You say make I type wetin?
Nigerian Bar Association.
Nigerian Bar Association.
Yes.
Okay.
You go show, and when you show, you go see website there. If you click that website, just go through that website, you go see where then I find a lawyer. If you click that place, you don't get lawyer. Another way to get lawyer, say some lawyers and dey social media. If you just go, you go see to get lawyer no hard, lawyer dey.
Okay.
Just find lawyer for these places. Then what I tell you, you don't get lawyer.
Wahala.
You don't have to get lawyer.
No, so wetin person no
big person na. Wetin person no big person.
No wahala.
Big person.
No wahala. As you don talk, me and my friend here go see the check am how we take do am.
Okay.
As you don talk like,
no
thank you.
No wahala.